Tell me what the hell else is new when it comes to New Orleans Pelicans and Zion Williamson. As Zion is out for an extended time dealing with yet another injury. They say 3 weeks, but we know it possibly could be longer than 3 weeks. Now tell me what the hell is Zion known for in the NBA with the Pelicans other than missing games and the situation he had with the Mariah Mills chick. But other than that, he ain't did a damn thing with the Pelicans, and it don't help that the Pelicans didn't try to trade him or didn't move him because they still had faith in what he has not shown them because he's been out more than he's been in. I think players like Zion, not just Zion, but players like him throughout the league, they need 2-year deals instead of these big-ass max contracts that's hindering these teams from making moves. 1 year guaranteed, and the second year should be a team option. And it don't help that the New Orleans Pelicans got Joe Dumars in the front office, gave away an unprotected first-round pick for Derek Queen, and then the New Orleans Pelicans also fired the head coach, Willie Green. They in shambles down there in New Orleans. The hell is going on?